Welcome back, my dear innovators. We are still on the ChatGPT series. Today, we're unlocking the true potential of ChatGPT by looking into ChatGPT customization. This is the last lesson from our second module. All right, tailoring ChatGPT's settings can transform it into your perfect AI companion, whether for learning, creating, or problem solving. Let's get started. And as usual, sit up and stay attentive. Introduction to ChatGPT. Customization. First off, why customize? Begin with an explanation of the importance of customizing ChatGPT. Customization can significantly impact the utility and effectiveness of ChatGPT by tailoring its responses to specific tasks, audiences, or content requirements. Then, the overview of customizable settings. You have to provide a brief overview of the types of settings that can be customized, including response length, style, and safety features. Having done that, you have to navigate the Settings menu, accessing settings. Walk through the process of accessing the Settings menu in ChatGPT, highlighting how to navigate to different customization options. Understanding. Each setting. You are expected to offer a detailed explanation of each setting available for customization, including practical examples of how altering these settings can affect the responses generated by ChatGPT. I hope we are following. Customizing, response length, and style. Need a quick answer or a detailed explanation? The response length setting has you covered. And with style customization, you can make ChatGPT's tone match your own, whether that's formal for professional communications or casual for everyday inquiries. Let's see our customizations in action. Take a close look at this. I want to tell it to define sustainable development. Can we see that? Now, I want to work on the length. I want it to generate the topic for me as a course that I can teach my students in class. What I will do is change the prompt. I only asked for the definition before, so now I will tell it to generate a course for me. Let's see. Can we see that? Okay. One more thing. The lecture modules is too much for me. I want ChatGPT to reduce it, which means I have to instruct it again to help me reduce the modules. Let's see. Can we see it did just as I have instructed it? Are we good on it? Is it hard? Of course not. Notice how adjusting the response style and length changes ChatGPT's output. Here's a comparison between a concise, casual response and a detailed, formal one. I hope we learned a lot from this lesson. Thanks for joining. We will begin a new module on ChatGPT series in our next class. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe.